We'll be back. Meantime, we gotta work on something important again. Okay, we need to take the brass washer and stick it into there. That's our bearing surface.
Oh, right.
To have a bearing surface. So you have to have two special tools.
To do one job.
And you notice that this is custom made also, it's not even factory. Because once again, the factory stuff does not work. See, that doesn't fit on there, see? It probably works if you used it for the correct thing, but... Okay. That has to push inside of there. So you have to just push real hard. There you go all the way in? Okay. Pull up on a little bit. Okay, where's your bar at?
My bar?
That goes over there.
Oh, there we go. This one.
No, it wasn't. It's for that one. Here's your bar, see? Okay, you tap that down in there until it goes all the way down.
Still on it?
Yeah, for now, just hit it a little bit. Tap it down a little bit.
Seated.
Still going, isn't it? Quit moving? Okay. It's not in there all the way, but we'll see if it's enough to pull it. Okay, where's your wrench for tightening this up? Coming out too easy. Keep going. Probably not coming out at all, I bet. Does it feel like it's doing anything?
No.
Okay, stop. Undo it. It's on there. Okay, loosen this tube up. Just grab with your hand and wiggle it. Not coming? Okay.
Okay.
That's a good sign. That means it might be actually coming out. Okay, let's tighten the nut some more. You don't suppose they didn't have a lot of press fit on that bushing, do you?
Yeah, potentially.
Might be potentially low installation value.
But they just knew it and take it out.
I usually use my zip gun and just take them out. See, this should be in there flush with this. So it's not holding the bushing all the way correctly, but I'll keep going until it falls off. Squeeze it off. Any tighter?
Just got looser.
It'll fall off then. There you go. Pull it.
You got it.
That bushing did come out that easy. See, they have red Loctite or green Loctite on there, but it wasn't very tight, was it?
Not at all.
You know, suppose it's still free too. It's still lubricated.
Yeah.
So not much of a Loctite if it's still loose. How old is that cover? You'd think it would have dried by now.
Yeah.
They must use some of that China red or green Loctite. It doesn't really set up like it should. Tap it. There you go. Now you get that out of there now. Where's the tool for getting a tool apart? Now we need a punch. Did you lose the pin?
No, it's in my hand.
Okay. Well, put the pin where you won't lose it. Where's the pin? Not that pin, the small dowel. The one in the bushing. Is it still in there?
I must still be in there.
Still in there. Okay, let's get some tools here. Oh, that went in there farther than I thought it did. No, you pushed it in further.
Pushed it in.
Yeah, you're going the wrong direction. How's it coming over here?
I think it's in the proper.
Ooh!
Is it too much?
Oh, you just put a big gouge in your rim.
Oh, we're just scraping off the bad stuff, right?
Yeah, that was more than I wanted to do. Are these tight?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's loose. Why are these loose? Trying to tear up my tools. Are those tight now? Don't break them. See, now we have more room. because I moved it over. Okay, so now you got to take this and stick it right on this edge right here. Okay, tighten that down. See how close it is? See, it doesn't dig in. If you go this direction, it'll dig in. See? It does. Then we'll have to polish it out. See, you got a trailing edge and a leading edge. The leading edge digs in. Somebody didn't file that down smoothly enough. So don't go backwards. Okay. See these balance weights right here? They need to come off so we can adjust this. So where's your balance weight removing tool at?
I don't know.
You don't have one? Don't have one? It's on the wall over there. Two big long ones. Hey, where'd you get that shirt from? That's not mine. Jeez. False advertising. Right there on the wall. See him?
No.
It's right ahead. Put your arm out.
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going. Come toward me. Getting close. Getting close. If you're another inch taller, you can make it.
Oh, it's up there.
You were touching it.
Oh,
I only need one. Don't break it. Jeez. Damn. You're dangerous. Where'd your weights go? Your weights went way over here. Okay, go ahead and put that in there and pry up on it. Don't lose those because you have to save those. Oh, jeez, you almost broke it. Ooh, look at that. Is it on there tight? There it goes. Yeah, I saw it move.
yeah.
Try the other side, maybe it might dig in better, I don't know. Is it better or worse on that side?
I think it's worse.
Okay, back on this side. You push in. There you go. Getting it, getting it, getting it. She's coming, she's coming. Like Scooby in the morning, slow.
There we go.
Bingo. Okay, don't lose those. So go put those with what?
My other stuff that I don't want to
Your
lose.
other stuff you don't want to lose. There you go. You're getting smart. You're getting pretty damn good at this. Okay, that's the drag mark. Okay, we got, how much dragging we doing? This whole fan here is dragging. So these two here make it go to the right. These two make it go to the left. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
So you loosen these two up about 2 flats, and you tighten these two about 2 flats. You should start moving over. Remember, if you go backwards, it scrapes the rim, so you have to go this direction. But if you do what I just told you, see that fan right here?
Mm-hmm.
You put your hand on there like that and everything. So loosen these up 2 flats, tighten these up 2 flats, and they're still loose, tighten them up 2 more flats.
Okay.
That'll move it over, because this spokes seem pretty damn loose. And don't break anything. If you don't know which way loosening is, it'll get worse if you're going the wrong direction. Oh, we were trying to get that bushing out, weren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, top drawer on the right side there. We need a big punch and a smaller punch. Get the biggest one there.
The biggest?
Yeah. There's that one. Okay, and get the smaller one that goes inside of here, which is probably the next one down that we already had. Yeah, that one. Perfect. Did you break it yet? Did you figure out which way tight was yet?
Well, that way's tight, so that
Okay.
means I went the wrong way on these ones.
I told you.
Yeah.
If you went the wrong way, it'd get worse. Did it get worse? Okay, what do you got? You got way too much crap in your
Already
hands.
did that one.
Oh, you're fast. Damn. I'm just gonna whack it. If you hit on the edge up here, it won't do anything. It's just long enough to be a problem. It's coming. Okay, go to a different direction.
Oh, it got a little better.
Oh, you must have went the right direction. Okay, so we need to get this pin
Remove that
out. We need to put these tools back together before we mix them all up. So this is the one that came out of this one. Brass washer.
Join them inside the tool, or just out.
Put it together. This is now part of this tool over here. There we go. Look at all that. There's one done. You got another one there. I'll take the pin out of there. See, that just jams it in there. Good thing you brought a punch with you. Okay, let's put the tool in there. There you go. Oh, you break my drawer now. Ew. Perfect. We'll be back in there though. Okay, so a pair of dikes. We'll get this out of here pretty easy. You go like this. That wasn't under very tight either. Look how short that thing is too. That thing's a little stubby little sucker. That don't look like a 1/4 inch long, does it?
Looks a little shy.
Yeah. It's like 3/16 almost. Right here is the real ones. Guess why they're kept there?
This is where all the business happens.
Because I might need one every now and then. Especially when they're getting a little cheap
Oh wow.
on the fitment of the pin. So I'm thinking we probably should upgrade.
Yeah, we can put
You're good with an upgrade?
Yeah, I'm okay with
Okay,
that.
we need one of these out of this pile.
Got it.
So take it off the side where it's on the side that comes off is easy, which would be this side. So you gotta be smarter than the staple there, see.
There we go.
So where's your junk box is right here. Okay, this we're not gonna use either. I'm thinking maybe we'll not
Do we want
reuse.
this out yet? Oh wait.
Leave it in there so we don't lose it. I'm thinking we're gonna get rid of this green stuff in here because I'm thinking it's not very good.
Let's get rid of that.
And now we need a bushing for a late model bike, which would be 54 and later. Later being up until, what year they changed that piece of crap? About 70 or something? 73? 73 ain't going to change, so 72. Generator bike. Cone bike. Oh, these are what I'm looking for. It's right here. Ooh, these are genuine Harley ones. They cost extra. We don't need genuine Harley on Taiwan Teddy parts. Somewhere there's a bag of bushings. Somehow I got in the back of the box here. Hey, look what I found.
What's that?
Hey, we got a table out here, and there's even got a light on in here too. Look at that. Almost we're trying to work with something. Okay. These are S&S. That looks pretty close. What's it fit? 93. That doesn't fit your bike. There's more S&S crap. Look at all this S&S stuff. Standard 54 to 92. You know what that means?
It fits.
It fits everything. Standard fits everything. Costs a fortune. That's the one you want to use. Okay, I think that's the real deal. Yeah, I'm wasting electricity. All right. Where's your bushing?
Here's your rag.
Nice and clean in there now. Oh, there's no more green stuff in there now.
It's been removed.
Damn, look how centered they were on their bushing hole. Okay, so now we need to open this up. We need to see if this is going to fit. So I'm going to swap out this piece here. I'm thinking it's going to go like this. That was a sharp knife. It almost cut through.
Anything needs a sharpen.
Getting it figured out. This is pretty complicated around here. Try that again. There. Got it that time. See, if you have a late bike, you use a groove for end oiling. If you have an early bike, you use a side oiler. So, if you put it in like that, what happens?
And that way.
You have
It is-
no oil flow.
Exactly.
That hole lines up to that hole. Appears it might go in there tight too because it's not going in the hole. This was standard, wasn't it? So standard.
Mhm.
Yep. Okay. All right, we'll be back.